Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.